Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so glad and so happy to be doing this cook today. Pretty excited about it. I got some something that's hard to come by around my part of the country. It's some beef back ribs, and I found some at Porter Road. I ordered 2 racks, got them here, and we're gonna get them on the grill today and get them smoked up. I've ate plenty of beef ribs. I've never smoked any myself, so we'll see how it goes. Let's go inside, let's get these prepped up and get them on the smoker. Okay, would you look at these guys? These are over 2.5 pounds each. Porter Road, as always, does a great job of trimming these guys up. I know the debate on the membrane, and I went back and forth 100 times on this one, but I am going to remove that membrane. If I can get it here. If it falls apart later, I won't do it again. Nice. You know me, I tend to keep things pretty simple around here. I'm just gonna come in a binder. I'm just gonna, because we're dealing with beef here, I like to come in with some little Lee and Perrin. Just use a little as a binder. I'm okay with mustard on pork, but not so much on beef. So. And since we're doing with Porter Roads, I'm coming in with some Porter Road all things smoked. And that's all we're going to use on this, guys. I'll get this thing seasoned up on all sides, and when the pit comes up, we'll get this thing on. It is officially time. These bad boys in here. I cannot wait. We're up to temp finally. It's going to be trying to hold about 225 degrees. So we have to cook. I'm going to add a water pan here. Just to keep the moisture in there. Get this closed up. And I'm gonna add a big old chunk of pecan wood here. I love pecan wood on beef. We'll check back in about an hour or so. Alright guys, we are 1 hour in. Everything looks good. I just wanted to take a look here, give this thing a spray. Y'all check this out. My buddy Larry, good subscriber, got tired of seeing me use that old beat up blue sprayer and sent this to me, guys. Works like a charm. Thank you, Larry. I'm just gonna hit that. We're just using some apple juice here. Just kind of hit this up and get that bark forming. I'm not gonna make any changes at all. We're gonna keep rolling. I'm gonna check back here and maybe in about another hour or so and see where we are. We'll keep the smoke rolling, guys. Alright guys, we're a little over 2 hours in. Starting to get a little bit of pull. I'm not gonna do a whole lot still. I'm starting to lose some temperatures. But I'm just gonna, you know what? I'll tell you that, I'm going to just spin these around 180 degrees. Just to make sure I'm getting some even cooking. Other than that, we're not going to do anything other than do a little spray. Yeah, this is starting to look like some beef ribs. All right, close her up. We'll come back and see where we are in about an hour. Leave it to me to not turn the camera on. I was losing some heat here, so I did add some more wood and some more charcoal. Get this thing back rolling again. We'll check back in about an hour or so. All right, we are 3 hours in. I'm gonna get these things wrapped up, get them back in here, get this a little bit more of that apple juice. A little windy, so I gotta be careful. There we go. Up good and tight. And kind of poke through a little bit. That. Get back in. Everything else looks good, guys. We're going to keep everything the way they are. We'll check these in about an hour, maybe an hour and a half or so. Alright guys, we're going to come in here and see where we're at. We are, oh look at all that pullback. Beef ribs are notorious for. Look at that, guys. Can you see that? I know we're done. Look at all that meat. We still got a little bit to go. 185. Very close, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these out of the foil, get them back on the rack. Might even throw a little bit more smoke on there. Let me pull this out here. That is beautiful. Simply beautiful. Turn them around a little bit. That ain't gonna be long. We're gonna be glazing these. Let's put that right back on there. Is a thing of beauty. Right back on there. Alright, let's get this thing closed up. And we'll check back here in a little while. Just because we're going to put some hot dogs on here, I'm going to throw just one more piece of wood on there. That'll do us. Alright guys, I'm really just checking for tenderness, and we are very tender. I think we are ready. We're going to start glazing these. I'm just using some Sweet Baby Ray's, the hickory and brown sugar. Kind of want a little sweetness in there. Everything looks and smells amazing, guys. I'm very excited about my first beef back rib cook. I could take this thing all the way up to 200, but I really don't want to. We're at 180 on the internal temp. In places I'm like a 190, and I just don't want to go over that 200 degree range. So if it was pork, it'd be another story. I'm gonna do this a couple times, guys. We're gonna get this inside and we'll cut them up and get a taste test. Alright guys, would you look at this? Beautiful racks. Beef ribs. Get some cuts off of here. See what we got here. Look at that. Beautiful smoked ring. Juicy. Let's get a taste of that. Alright. Can't wait. Oh, so good.
I need orange just in the middle.
That is absolutely delicious, guys. The seasoning. We smoked for about 5 hours. Could have went a little bit longer, but I'm perfectly happy with this cook. Guys, also want to reach out to Larry. Sent me a water bottle. I was definitely needed one. Thank you so much, buddy. Worked perfectly. No, not even a leak. It was good. Guys, these ribs are awesome. I'm gonna steal another bite. Messy, just like they should be. That is so good. That's the first time I've ever done beef ribs. I've ate them plenty, but tell you what, wow, delicious. Wash that down. Guys, thank you so much, as always. I enjoy bringing you these cooks. I'm just a guy cooking for his family. That's what we do here, so what you see is what you get. So guys, thank you as always, and guys, we'll be back next week with something. I don't even know what I got planned, so guys, we'll talk with you soon. God bless you. Bye-bye.